Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to connect Google Sheets to Canva Charts. So here I am in my Canva account dashboard, and I also have my Google Sheets open right here. So I have here some data about trees, and then for example, I want to use this data to the charts in Canva. So to do that, let's go back here in Canva, and then for example, I will create a blank presentation right here. And then from here, we will use a chart. So for example, I want to use a pie chart. So let's just search charts right here. And then we will see here the options or the results that Canva has for charts. So just click see all. And then for example, I want to use a pie chart. So it will be automatically added here. But in order to import data in Google Sheets, we need to change the settings first. So we need to go to the settings right here in the pie chart. So you can just double click on it and then it will open right here at the side. So from here, we will click import data and then we will need to connect our Google Sheets or our Google account right here. So I will just first connect my account. So from here, we just need to accept the terms right here so that we can connect our Google with Canva Charts. So just click continue, click select all, and then now we have connected our Google Sheets account into our Canva. So from here, I will choose my project right here in Google Sheets, which is this one, which is titled trees. So let's select trees right here, and then we will choose sheet 1. And then for example, I want to choose this data right here from E3 to F7. So we have the 3 types and then the average tree height. So let's click on done. And now we can see that our data is now connected into our Canva chart or into our pie chart. So we have the birch tree, the oak tree, the maple tree, and then the sycamore tree. So now we can go ahead and customize the look of our chart. So for example, if you want to change the color, you can do so as well. For example, like that. And then for the last one, we have customized our pie chart. And then for the text, we can also change the font style. For example, like that. And we can also increase the font size to like this. And then we can double click again. And then we can customize the labels right here if you want. And then the segments. But since this is correct, I won't need to customize it any further. So we just have this, and then you can go ahead. You can also add a title. For example, I'll just copy this, and then we'll add it right here for the title. So now we have our title right here and our pie chart. And then you can go ahead and use other charts as well. For example, I want to use a bar chart. We can do the same thing, and then we can connect our Google Sheets data right here. So just double click, go to data, go to import data, Google Sheets, and then click the trees Google Sheet right here. And then for example, I want to use this one. Click on done, and then as you can see, it is reflected in our bar chart right here. So let's see if we can change it. Let's go to customize, go to data, make sure we are selecting all of the 4 trees right here. And then let's edit this. So we need to change our data right here. Since it reads it differently. So for example, I'll select this one. Click on done. And then now we have a proper bar chart right here from 2020 to 2023. And then we have the correct trees right here. And we can increase the size. And then we can just go ahead and change the colors as well. For example, for the birch tree, then for the oak tree, the sycamore tree, and then the maple tree. But this time, their colors are different according to the year. So here is the 2020 bar chart, the 2021 bar chart, the 2022 bar chart, and then the 2023 bar chart. And then that is it. That is how we can connect Google Sheets to Canva Charts. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.